Hello and welcome viewers, you're watching In Depth with your host Kriti Mishra. India is on the cusp of a significant industrial transformation after the government's approval of 12 new project proposals under the National Industrial Corridor Development Programme. This landmark decision, chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, involves an estimated investment of 28,602 crore. We have packed all the major highlights for our viewers. Industrialization plays a vital role in the economic development of any country. The historical facts reveal that all the developed countries of the world broke the vicious circle of underdevelopment by industrialization. The National Industrial Corridor Development Programme stands as India's most ambitious infrastructure initiative, aiming to shape the future of urban and industrial development. This visionary program seeks to create new industrial cities as smart cities, where next-generation technologies seamlessly integrate across various infrastructure sectors. By fostering the development of these futuristic industrial hubs, the Government of India is positioning the country as a global leader in manufacturing and investment, rivaling the world's top destinations. Central to this strategy is the development of integrated industrial corridors designed to accelerate growth in the manufacturing sector and promote systematic urbanization. These corridors, supported by robust multimodal connectivity and developed in collaboration with state governments, are set to drive employment opportunities, economic growth, and overall socio-economic development across the nation. National Industrial Corridor Development Corporation's mandate includes project development activities for a wide range of initiatives, including investment regions, industrial areas, economic zones, industrial nodes, townships, integrated manufacturing clusters, and standalone or early-stage projects. It also provides vital support to various state governments in these endeavours. National Industrial Corridor Development Corporation's role extends to comprehensive project development, including preparing master plans, feasibility reports, and detailed project reports. Additionally, it acts as a key intermediary in developing and establishing infrastructure projects, facilitating the creation and distribution of financial instruments, negotiating loans, and designing schemes for resource mobilization and credit extension for infrastructure development. The national industrial corridors in our country include Delhi-Mumbai Industrial Corridor or DMIC, Amritsar-Kolkata Industrial Corridor or AKIC, Chennai-Bengaluru Industrial Corridor, that is CBIC, Vizag-Chennai Industrial Corridor, which is also known as VCIC, Bengaluru-Mumbai Industrial Corridor, which is BMIC, Odisha Economic Corridor, which is OEC, Hyderabad-Nagpur Industrial Corridor, which is HNIC, Hyderabad-Warangal Industrial Corridor, HWIC, Hyderabad-Bengaluru Industrial Corridor, which is HBIC, an extension of CBIC to Kochi via Coimbatore, and Delhi-Nagpur Industrial Corridor, that is DNIC.
States will be putting in their part of the work and the center will be putting in center's part of the work. Both will be investing in the infra, and also various arms of the central government, they will also invest in the infrastructure. For example, railway connectivity. So railway investment will be part of the railway ministry, highway investment will be part of the highway ministry. In a sense, what we are trying to create is a framework in which everything that is needed for setting up the manufacturing unit is made available, so that people can come, plug and play, walk to work, immediately they can set up the plant and they can start the employment process and production process. बहुत ही साइंटिफिक तरीके से इंडस्ट्रियल कॉरिडोर और इंडस्ट्रियल कॉरिडोर के ऊपर नोड्स, इसका सिलेक्शन का पूरा प्रोसेस बहुत ही साइंटिफिक तरीके से किया गया है। आपने पीएम गति शक्ति पोर्टल की कई बातें ध्यान में आपके होगी ऑलरेडी। पीएम गति शक्ति पोर्टल एक ज्योग्राफिकल डिसीजन मेकिंग का टूल है। इसमें हर तरह की जो किसी भी ज्योग्राफिकल एरिया में, फॉर एग्जांपल कहाँ पे रेलवे लाइन है, कहाँ पे हाईवे है, कहाँ पे वाटर कनेक्शन है, कहाँ पर कोई पॉन्ड बना हुआ है, कहाँ पर हॉस्पिटल है, ये हर चीज का उस एक पोर्टल में सारी फैसिलिटीज रखी हुई है। अब उसको आप जिस भी तरीके से एनालिसिस करना हो तो डिफरेंट लेयर्स का आप यूज करते हैं। फॉर एग्जांपल आपके सामने ये क्वेश्चन आए, मान लो कि मुझे रेलवे लाइन के पास में एक कार्गो टर्मिनल या इंडस्ट्रियल क्लस्टर बनाना है, तो रेलवे लाइन के पास में कहाँ कहाँ पर लैंड अवेलेबल है। तो आप इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर पीएम गति शक्ति पोर्टल से इजीली निकल आता है। तो इसको यूज करके आप डिसाइड कर सकते हो कि कहाँ पर आपको इन्वेस्टमेंट, कहाँ पर आपको प्रॉपर्ली सारी फैसिलिटीज अवेलेबल है। उस साइंटिफिक प्रोसेस से किया और साथ ही साथ स्टेट गवर्नमेंट को हर जगह इसमें इन्वॉल्व करके किया।
The positive characteristics of industrialization include economic growth, a more efficient division of labor, and a growth spurt in technological innovation. So how will industrialization catalyze growth? Well, it leads to strategic investments. The National Industrial Corridor Development Program aims to cultivate a dynamic industrial ecosystem by attracting investments from both large anchor industries and micro, small and medium enterprises. These industrial nodes will serve as catalysts for achieving the ambitious target of $2 trillion in exports by 2030, aligning with the government's vision of a self-reliant and globally competitive India. Smart cities and modern infrastructure. NICDP, the corporation will see the development of new industrial cities as greenfield smart cities of global standards. These cities will be built ahead of demand, incorporating the plug-and-play and walk-to-work concepts, ensuring advanced infrastructure that supports sustainable and efficient industrial operations. Area approach on PM Gati Shakti. Aligned with PM Gati Shakti National Master Plan, these projects will integrate multimodal connectivity infrastructure, ensuring seamless movement of people, goods and services. The industrial cities will serve as growth centers, transforming entire regions into vibrant economic hubs. Vision for a Viksit Bharat. The corporation's approval advances the vision of a Viksit Bharat, a developed India. By positioning India as a key player in global value chains, the corporation will offer developed land parcels ready for immediate allotment, facilitating domestic and international investors and establishment of manufacturing units. This initiative aligns with the broader objective of creating an Atmanirbhar Bharat or self-reliant India, driving economic growth through enhanced industrial output and employment. Economic impact and employment generation. This program is expected to create substantial employment opportunities with an estimated 1 million direct jobs and up to 3 million indirect jobs. This will provide livelihoods and contribute to the socio-economic upliftment of regions where the projects are implemented. Commitment to Sustainable Program. The National Industrial Corridor Development Program projects strongly emphasize sustainability, incorporating ICT-enabled utilities and green technologies to minimize environmental impact. The aim is to create industrial cities that are not just economic powerhouses, but also models of environmental stewardship. There are 12 new project proposals under the National Industrial Corridor Development Program. The initiative aims to create a strong network of industrial nodes and cities, driving economic growth and enhancing the country's global competitiveness. These 12 industrial areas, strategically located across 10 states and planned along 6 major corridors, will be pivotal in advancing India's manufacturing capabilities and economic expansion. The approved cities include Khurpia in Uttarakhand, Rajpura Patiala in Punjab, Dighi in Maharashtra, Palakkad in Kerala, Agra in Uttar Pradesh, Prayagraj in Uttar Pradesh, Gaya in Bihar, Zahirabad in Telangana, Orwakal in Andhra Pradesh, Koparthi in Andhra Pradesh, and Jodhpur Pali in Rajasthan. Approving 12 new industrial nodes under the National Industrial Corridor Development Programme marks a significant milestone in India's journey towards becoming a global manufacturing powerhouse. With a strategic focus on integrated development, sustainable infrastructure, and seamless connectivity, these projects are poised to redefine India's industrial landscape and fuel the nation's economic growth for years to come.
In Maharashtra, that project, about 2,313 acres of land has been allocated and already 42,000 jobs have been created. Similarly, project in Madhya Pradesh, Vikram Udyog Puri near Ujjain, between Ujjain and Indore, 406 acres of land has been allocated and already 13,154 employment has been created by that. So, in the manufacturing sector, which is one of the most employment intensive sectors, there is a rule of thumb and there is a empirical formula by which if the investment is this much, so many number of jobs will be created. So based on that, this estimate has been done.
Let's find out more about greenfield smart cities that are emerging as models of economic growth and prosperity.
Greenfield industrial smart cities include Dholera Special Investment Region in Gujarat. This greenfield industrial smart city is located 100 kilometers southwest of Ahmedabad, designed to be India's leading hub for manufacturing and industrial development. As the country's first platinum-rated industrial smart city, it features the largest land parcels in Southeast Asia and targets key sectors like defense, aviation, high-tech and pharmaceuticals. Established in 2016, Dholera Industrial City Development Limited is a special purpose vehicle formed as a joint venture with the Government of Gujarat holding 51% stake and the Government of India holding 49% stake. The SPV focuses on sustainable, non-polluting industries to drive regional and national growth. Aurangabad Industrial Township Limited in Maharashtra. This is a meticulously planned greenfield smart industrial city covering 10,000 acres in Maharashtra, developed as part of the Delhi-Mumbai Industrial Corridor. Located near Aurangabad, at Shendra and Bitkin, this is managed by Aurangabad Industrial Township Limited, a special purpose vehicle between Maharashtra Industrial Development Corporation and the National Industrial Corridor Development and Implementation Trust. The city dedicates 60% of its land to industrial use, with the remaining 40% for residential, commercial, and recreational facilities. Integrated Industrial Township, Greater Noida in Uttar Pradesh. Integrated Industrial Township in Greater Noida is a special purpose vehicle company incorporated as a 50-50% joint venture between the National Industrial Corridor Development and Implementation Trust and Greater Noida Industrial Development Authority. Integrated Industrial Township, Vikram Udyog Puri in Madhya Pradesh. This is established to boost employment, industrial output and regional exports by attracting quality industrial investments and providing world-class infrastructure. This project is designed to create a sustainable economic base focusing on manufacturing and is supported by institutional, residential and commercial activities. Located in Narwar village, 8 km from Ujjain and 12 km from Devas, the project spans 442.3 hectares and features trunk infrastructure, supporting social and physical amenities strategically positioned along State Highway 80 within the DMIC region. The National Industrial Corridor Development Programme represents a transformative initiative poised to reshape India's industrial landscape and position the country as a global manufacturing leader. The recent cabinet approval of 12 new industrial nodes underscores the government's unwavering commitment to fostering economic growth, creating employment opportunities, and advancing sustainable development. These projects will not only bolster India's manufacturing capabilities, but also serve as catalysts for regional economic upliftment, driving the nation towards a vision of a self-reliant and developed India. As these industrial corridors come to fruition, they will play a pivotal role in shaping the future of India's economy, enhancing its global competitiveness and ensuring long-term prosperity for the nation.
Well, viewers, that's all we had for you in this edition. Thanks for watching and stay tuned to Sunset TV. Goodbye for now from my side.
To watch more programs of Sunset TV, subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to like and share them.